Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Beauty and Cooking Tips, and in today's video I'm going to make chicken bread at home. We will be making this bread in oven, and you can also make this in a pan and on tawa. And first we will make its dough, and to make its dough I have taken 2 cups of flour, 1 cup milk and 1 teaspoon yeast, 1/4 cup of oil and a pinch of salt, and you can adjust the taste of the salt according to your taste. And these are the ingredients I have used to make it a soft dough. This is our dough. It's like a pizza dough, and I have made it 1 hour before. And now I'm going to make it chicken bread. This is the stuffing I'm going to fill in this bread, and in this stuffing I have taken half cup of shredded chicken, and I have added some capsicum and onions in it. These are the capsicum and onions. If you want to add in this stuffing you can add, but if you want to sprinkle some veggies on the stuffing you can also do that. So this is our stuffing. I have taken half cup of chicken, 2 tablespoons of capsicum, and a small onion, some olives, and I have made it with some salt and black pepper. You can adjust the spices according to your taste. So this is our stuffing, and these are the olives I have added in this. You can also sprinkle some olives on the stuffing. So this is the stuffing, and this is our dough. So let's make it chicken bread, then I will show you. So guys, here I have rolled the dough in this shape, and I'm going to put this in this pan, and then we will add some stuffing on it, and we will make its shape of chicken bread. So guys, now I'm going to add stuffing in this bread, and we will fill all the stuffing in this bread, and then we will cut this bread from sides, and we will make its design of chicken bread. So guys, we will cut the sides of the bread like this. We will give it a small cuts, and then we will make its shape of chicken bread. We will do it on the both sides, and then I will show you what I'm going to do it with it. So guys, as you can see, I have cutted both the sides of the bread. Actually we have to make its strips like this, and then we will take one strip, and we will stuffing with the strips, and then our chicken bread will be ready. So let's see how I'm going to do it. We will take its first strip, and we will cover our stuffing with that, and we will do it one by one with all the strips, and then our chicken bread will be ready to bake. And I have preheated our oven for 5 to 10 minutes, and then after doing this process I will put this bread in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will show you its final look. So guys, here our yummy chicken bread is ready to be baked, and now I'm going to brush some milk on it, and I will sprinkle some sesame seeds, and then I will put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I will show you its final look. So guys, here our chicken bread is ready to be baked. I have brushed some milk on it, and I have sprinkled some sesame seeds. Now I'm going to bake it. So guys, this is the final look of our yummy and tasty chicken bread, and this is looking very yummy and tasty, and it's very easy to make everything at home. And I have baked this bread in an oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's totally done, and it's looking very yummy. And I hope you will like this quick and easy recipe of chicken bread, and if you like this recipe, please do try this at home. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share and comment, and thank you for watching this video.